Hello dear learners, and in this session let us learn the types of management systems. Let's start with the scenario. Imagine you are the operations manager of a large retail chain in India, and your company operates hundreds of stores across the country, and each store has unique customer preference and buying patterns. You are preparing for the upcoming festive season and need to ensure that the right products are stocked at the right stores, avoiding both overstocking and stockouts. With this regards, the company's decision support system DSS is available to help you analyze data and make informed decisions. The DSS integrates sales history, current inventory levels, customer demand trends, and external factors such as local festivals or regional preferences. Here's a question for you as per this scenario. How can the DSS decision support system assist you in determining the optimal inventory levels for each store during the festive season? To explore the answer, it is essential to understand the concepts in depth. So let us proceed with the learning objectives of this topic. By the end of this session, you will be able to define the concept of information systems and differentiate their various types, explain the functions and roles of each type of information system in supporting organizational operations and decision making, discuss the role of organizational structure in management, and analyze the impact of MIS on managerial function. Let's start the topic with the definition of information systems. An information system is an organized framework that collects, processes, stores, and disseminates data to support decision making and operations within an organization, which means an information system is a structured setup that helps an organization gather, process, store, and share data to support decision making and smooth daily operations. It combines three key components: technology, people, and processes. These work together to manage information effectively, making it easier for the organization to meet its goals, solve problems, and take advantage of new opportunities. Technology includes the software, hardware, and networks used to process and store data. People refer to the individuals who use the information system, such as employees, managers, and customers. Processes are the rules and procedures followed to collect, manage, and share information. In simple terms, an information system ensures that the right data is available at the right time to help the organization make informed decisions and run efficiently. Now let us discuss the types of measurement systems. There are many types of measurement systems, namely transaction processing system, decision support system, management information system, executive information systems, expert systems, knowledge management systems, process control systems. Let us go through each one of it in detail. First, let's start with the transaction processing system, TPS. Transaction processing systems, TPS, are designed to help businesses manage and process data generated by routine tasks. These systems focus on the daily activities that keep an organization running smoothly, like order processing, inventory management, payroll, and customer billing. Imagine a busy store. When a customer buys something, the system records the sale, updates stock levels, and generates a receipt. Similarly, it might calculate and pay employee salaries or generate bills for customers. All of these tasks are examples of what a TPS handles. TPS provides an automated way to do these repetitive tasks accurately and efficiently. Without these systems, companies would have to rely on manual processes which could lead to mistakes, delays, and unnecessary costs. By using TPS, organizations can ensure that their daily operations run smoothly and efficiently. In simpler terms, a TPS is like a digital assistant that ensures the company keeps track of its most important activities, helping maintain stability and accuracy. Accuracy and consistency. TPS ensures that all data related to transactions is processed without errors, maintaining accuracy and consistency. This eliminates mistakes that could occur with manual data entry, such as typos or missed information. The next benefit is efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, TPS allows organizations to handle a large number of transactions quickly and efficiently. This reduces the workload on employees, enabling them to focus on more strategic tasks while the system manages routine operations. Next one, real-time processing. TPS enables real-time processing, which means transactions are recorded and updated instantly. This ensures that businesses have the most current data available, allowing them to make informed decisions quickly and remain responsive to changes. The next benefit is data integrity and security. TPS safeguards the accuracy and security of transactional data. It ensures compliance with legal and regulatory requirements while protecting sensitive information such as customer details and financial records from unauthorized access. The last benefit is customer satisfaction. By processing transactions swiftly and accurately, TPS improves the overall customer experience. For example, customers receive instant confirmations for their orders or immediate access to billing information, which builds trust and satisfaction. Next, we shall go through the types of TPS. While all TPS are designed to manage transactions, they are classified into specific types based on how they operate and meet organizational needs. Batch processing systems manage transactions in groups or batches rather than handling each transaction individually as it occurs. These systems are well suited for tasks where transactions can be collected over a set period and processed together at a later time. The main advantage of batch processing is its ability to handle large amounts of data efficiently without overburdening the system. However, one limitation is that it does not provide real-time updates. This means there may be a delay between when a transaction occurs and when it is processed. Example, in payroll system, all employee work hours for a week or month are gathered, and at the end of the period, the system processes the entire payroll in one go. This eliminates the need to process each individual employee's hours as they are logged. Real-time processing systems, in contrast to batch processing, handle transactions immediately as they occur. These systems are designed to provide instant feedback, which is vital for businesses where timing and accuracy are crucial. Real-time processing is commonly used in industries like e-commerce, banking, and airline bookings, where up-to-date information is necessary to avoid issues such as double bookings or incorrect stock levels. Example, in an online retail store, when a customer makes a purchase, the payment is processed instantly, the inventory is updated in real time, and the customer receives an immediate order confirmation. Next, we shall go through the next type of TPS, online transaction processing. Online transaction processing is a specialized form of real-time processing. It involves high-speed transaction processing over the internet or a network, enabling businesses to handle large volumes of small, interactive transactions efficiently. OLTP systems are widely used for applications such as financial transfers, inventory updates, and ticket bookings. The advantage of OLTP systems is their ability to process multiple transactions simultaneously while ensuring real-time data updates. This capability is crucial for supporting daily business operations and ensuring a seamless customer experience. Example: an ATM is a classic example of an online transaction processing system. When a customer withdraws money or checks their account balance, the transaction is processed in real time and the account details are updated immediately. Moving on to the next topic, transaction processing cycle. The transaction processing cycle, TPC, is a step-by-step process that helps businesses manage transactions accurately and efficiently. Let's now discuss the 6 key stages. First step is data collection. This stage gathers transaction data from sources like sales, customer interactions, or operations. Tools such as barcode scanners and POS systems ensure data is collected automatically and accurately, reducing errors and redundancy. Move on to the second step, data entry. Collected data is entered into the system and validated for accuracy and completeness. Automated systems streamline this process, ensuring only high-quality data is used. The third step is data processing. Raw data is analyzed and organized into meaningful information. For example, inventory levels are updated, financial balances are calculated, and transactions are recorded. The fourth being data storage. Processed data is securely stored in centralized databases, ensuring easy access, security, and compliance with data standards. Fifth, data retrieval. Data. Stored data is accessed for generating reports, resolving queries, or supporting decisions. Quick retrieval ensures efficiency and timely actions. Finally, the last step is reporting and feedback. Reports and summaries provide performance insights, while feedback mechanisms like alerts or confirmations keep stakeholders informed. Now, let us look into an example of TPS. A well-known example is the point-of-sale system used by retailers like Walmart or Tesco. How it works: when a customer purchases a product, the point-of-sale system captures and processes the transaction in real time, updating inventory levels, generating receipts, and storing transaction data for future analysis. Impact: this system ensures accurate and efficient processing of sales transactions, minimizing human error and enabling quick customer service, which improves operational efficiency. Next, let us discuss the management information system. A management information system is an organized framework that assists businesses in managing and utilizing data effectively. It serves as a central system that gathers raw data from various sources, processes it into meaningful information, and stores it securely for future use. The primary goal of an MIS is to enable organizations to make well-informed decisions by providing accurate and timely insights. This system supports key managerial functions such as planning, monitoring, and decision-making by ensuring that essential data is easily accessible and understandable. For example, an MIS can help a manager identify trends in sales performance or highlight areas where operational efficiency can be improved. By turning complex data into actionable insights, MIS plays a crucial role in streamlining processes, boosting productivity, and driving organizational success. Now, let us go through the benefits of management information system. Improved decision making. A management information system equips managers with accurate and timely data, empowering them to make informed and data-driven decisions. This reduces uncertainty and enhances confidence, enabling better judgment in critical business situations. Increased efficiency, MIS automates routine tasks such as data entry and report generation, minimizing manual effort and improving operational efficiency. As a result, employees can redirect their focus towards more strategic and value driven activities. Enhance communication. By streamlining the flow of information across departments, MIS ensures all stakeholders have access to the same data. This fosters better coordination, reduces misunderstandings, and strengthens communication within the organization. Better resource management. MIS provides real-time insights into resource utilization, allowing managers to monitor manpower, finances, and materials. This ensures resources are deployed effectively, avoiding wastage and promoting optimal use. Strategic planning and forecasting. With historical data analysis, MIS enables businesses to forecast trends and anticipate market shifts. This supports robust strategic planning, helping organizations adapt to competition, market demands, and evolving customer needs. Competitive advantage. The insights derived from MIS help companies identify new opportunities, optimize costs, and refine their products or services. This gives organizations a competitive edge, positioning them favorably in the marketplace. Let us now discuss the components of management information system. Hardware. Hardware refers to the physical devices that enable an MIS to function effectively. These include servers, workstations, storage units, and networking equipment, all of which play a crucial role in collecting, processing, and storing data. Robust and secure hardware ensures the system operates efficiently and remains reliable under varying demands. Software. Software comprises the applications and programs that drive the operations of an MIS. Key components include operating systems, database management systems, and specialized tools for reporting, analysis, and decision making. These programs ensure data is managed, organized, and presented in a format that supports informed decision making. Data. Data represents the raw facts and figures gathered from multiple sources, such as internal business activities and external market trends. Within an MIS, this data is processed and transformed into meaningful information that guides organizational decisions. People are integral to the management information system framework. This includes IT professionals who maintain the system and the employees and managers who use it to make decisions. The effectiveness of a management information system relies on people interpreting data correctly and using it to drive actions that align with organizational goals. Processes. Processes outline the methods and procedures for collecting, processing, storing, and sharing data. These structured protocols ensure that the information generated is accurate, relevant, and delivered in a timely manner, thereby supporting efficient decision making. Feedback mechanisms allow the system to evaluate its effectiveness continually. By analyzing how the provided information impacts decision making, managers can refine the MIS to better meet organizational requirements and adapt to changing business environments. Now, let us go through the next type of management system, decision support system. A decision support system is a computer-based tool that helps managers and decision makers handle complex decisions by providing the right information and analysis. It allows users to examine data, test different scenarios, and predict future outcomes, making decision making more informed and effective. Let's go through the components of decision support systems. A decision support system consists of three main components: the database management system, the model base, and the user interface UI. Together, these elements create a powerful decision-making environment. The first component is the Database Management System, DBMS. The DBMS is responsible for storing and organizing data, making it accessible and secure for decision makers. Its main functions include storing data, data retrieval, meaning it allows users to query and access specific data, and security, meaning it protects sensitive information through access controls. Integration combines internal and external data for comprehensive analysis. The second component is the model base. The model base provides the tools and models needed to analyze data and evaluate scenarios. Its main functions are providing mathematical models, which include tools like forecasting and optimization to support decisions, analytical tools which use data mining and statistical methods to uncover patterns, and scenario analysis, which simulates different outcomes to assess potential impacts. The third component is user interface, UI. The UI allows users to interact with the DSS, ensuring usability and efficiency. Its functions include ease of use. User interface displays data as charts, dashboards, and graphs for clarity. User interface adapts to specific user needs. User interface enables real-time custom queries. The user interface generates personalized reports to share insights. Next, let's go through the types of DSS. Types of Decision Support Systems, DSS. Decision Support Systems, DSS, are classified into different types based on their purpose and how they assist in decision making. The first type is data-driven DSS. These systems focus on handling and analyzing large amounts of data to aid decision making. They are commonly used for tasks like generating reports, identifying trends, and monitoring performance. The second type is model-driven DSS, which uses mathematical models and analytical tools to assist with decisions that require simulations or optimization. It is used to solve problems like financial planning, scheduling, or resource allocation using mathematical techniques. The third type is knowledge-driven DSS. These systems offer expert recommendations based on rules and knowledge from a specific domain. They provide guidance in specialized areas by mimicking expert reasoning. The fourth type is communication-driven DSS. These driven DSS are designed for team or group decision making, enabling collaboration through shared tools and data. They facilitate teamwork by supporting discussions, sharing information, and working collectively towards decisions. Let us discuss the benefits of DSS. DSS offers several advantages to organizations and decision makers. The first benefit is increased efficiency, which means DSS reduces the time required to gather data and analyze various alternatives. It automates complex calculations and analysis, allowing managers to focus on interpreting results and making decisions. The next benefit is scenario analysis, which means DSS enables users to model different scenarios and assess the potential outcomes of various decisions. This feature is particularly useful for planning and forecasting. The next benefit is support for unstructured decisions, which means DSS can help with decisions that are not easily structured or predefined. For example, it can assist in strategic planning or evaluating the potential success of a new product launch. Let us see an example of DSS. IRCTC's Dynamic Pricing System. Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation IRCTC uses a dynamic pricing system, a form of DSS, to optimize ticket pricing for premium trains like Rajdhani, Shatabdi, and Duronto Express. How it works: the system analyzes historical booking data, current demand, and travel dates to adjust ticket prices dynamically. As more seats are booked, the system increases ticket prices for remaining seats, encouraging early bookings. External factors such as holiday seasons or festivals are also considered to predict and manage demand. Impact: revenue optimization. By using dynamic pricing, Indian Railways maximizes revenue from premium train services. Customer behavior management encourages travelers to book tickets early, reducing last-minute rush. Resource allocation helps Indian Railways allocate additional trains or coaches during high demand periods. This DSS allows Indian Railways to enhance profitability while maintaining operational efficiency and meeting passenger demands effectively.